This help video looks at noise calculation. So having calculated the supply system, we can then look at and investigate the noise in the room space. We go to the checks menu, we select either room noise or grill noise. So we'll look at the room noise. We then select the room, update the calculation, and this gives us the total sound power level in that space depending on the NR rating of the room. You can see here clearly as we reduce the requirement and make the NR rating of the room more stringent, you can see we're wildly exceeding the requirement to meet the NR rating of 25. We can then view the sound power level exceeding the requirement, the attenuation required. Several other options worth exploring prior to doing this. If we view level down and start looking at the air handling unit supply parameters, if we double click on the entry point, we have the fan noise. We can then apply different types of fan, which will give us various generic noise characteristics. You could actually apply the manufacturer's noise criteria from the fan as well, the air handling unit. So you can apply not only our default parameters, but you can also apply manufacturer's data. If we then go back upstairs, select the room, display, calculate, supply system, checks, room noise, you can see now, because we've got a different fan, that's brought the requirement within the required NR rating 25. We could, if we wanted to, we could have added an attenuator using the duct fittings from the previous menu, where you then add the attenuation across each of the various frequency spectrums. So when you add your attenuator, you are given the option to enter the attenuation you require, and you could take the data from this table and paste it into the table for the attenuator to apply the attenuation requirement. We also have grill noise. Grill noise can also be applied by selecting the grill, and the same situation applies. You can view that numerically or graphically. So you set the NR rating of the space first and then view your attenuation.